tutorial. How to migrate the touch modules from version 1.1 to version 2.0 using the compatible APIs with QE tool. Both the CTSU module and the touch module were updated from version 1.1 to version 2.0. In the new version of the modules, an internal design and all APIs have been completely reviewed to improve accuracy and performance. We have compatible APIs for customers who want to migrate the modules. In this video, we will show you how to migrate the touch modules using the compatible APIs with QE tool. Firstly, confirm there are no errors after building the target project. If there are errors, fix them. Open the capped-out main view of QE tool version 2.0, and select the project. Select a target touch interface configuration and click the Modify Configuration button. Change file name and click the Create button. By doing this, you can keep the existing configuration as backup. Click the Start Tuning button to retune by QE tool version 2.0. In the new tuning process, you can get higher accuracy result in a shorter time compared to the old version of QE tool. After tuned, turn the Use API Compatibility Mode checkbox on, and click the Output Parameter Files. Open the Smart Configurator view, and select the Components tab. Update all added modules, except R_touch_QE module, to the latest version available. For example, right-click the R_TSU_QE module to change the version. Remove the R_touch_QE module and add the RM_touch_QE module. Then, save all and generate code. Move the unused files to the trash folder. Build the project. Launch in the debug mode. Resume the program. Confirm the behavior using QE monitoring views. If there are no problems, the migration is completed.